So since we moved, we had this tiny, teeny, mini fridge. It's a small one because our fridge did not deliver on time. So today we are going to have the new fridge coming finally. So stay tuned.
A few moments later.
There you go. That's the new fridge. Awesome LG ThinkQ. Let's see the inside. It's pretty spacious. So I have the ice system, slim space plus ice system, whatever that is. So this is a cool feature. If you have something like tall juice cans or milk bottles or cold drinks or something, you can just slide it down so you can keep here and use this space. Otherwise you can keep it locked. So that's one good thing that we liked. And these drawers are pretty huge, and you have a sliding drawer here. You can keep your lunch meats and all those stuff here. And then you have a double door freezer. Sorry. So that's for the ice. I think it's the craft ice. We have to check that. Forgot what we got. So that's the freezer. And then this is the freezer again. So you can move this actually. This is the partition. So you get two sections. That slides on its own and it locks it. Yep. So I have three sections here and three. These are like pretty broad. Sorry. So that's the fridge. Beautiful, beautiful. And that's for your ice. Freezer, refrigerator. You can lock it. If you lock it, the water won't come. So that's pretty nice. So we love the fridge, and finally we have it.